Cash App gift cards can be a convenient way to send or receive money. Follow these steps to effectively use them. Step 1. Purchase a Cash App gift card. Visit a retailer that sells Cash App gift cards. Choose the amount you want to load onto the card and complete the purchase. Step 2. Open Cash App. Launch the Cash App on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 3. Access the Cash Card section. Tap on the Cash Card icon located at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to the section where you can manage your Cash Card. Step 4. Redeem the gift card. Select the option to add funds or redeem a gift card. Enter the card number and any required PIN or codes to add the balance to your Cash App account. Step 5. Use your funds. Once the gift card balance is added, you can use the funds for purchases, send money to friends, or withdraw cash from ATMs using your Cash App balance. By following these steps, you can easily use Cash App gift cards to enhance your financial transactions.